Hi, my name is YING and this is my site design respond to approach, entrance, circulation and vegetation. So there are two main approaches to the site, which is from the publica and the shop lots. My main entrance will be facing the main road as the flow of people and vehicle are greater. Meanwhile, the entrance at the site will be the secondary entrance. At the main entrance, the entrance is set back inwards. By this, a pathway leading to entrance is created. The width of the pathway towards the entrance is wider than the usual pathway. This will console people to walk into the wider space rather than the narrow space. So, there will be more flow of people to have a look inside the building. Furthermore, there are plants arranged nearly alongside the pathway together with the water fountain. By then, the approach to the entrance will be more welcoming. For the side entrance, same as the main entrance, there will be high vegetation alongside the path. The plants also provide the shade to the visitors. As the existing site is a park with trees, so I want to keep this identity. So when people approach, they will see a building blend with trees. The concept is something like park in the city. For the circulation, the red one indicates the pedestrian circulation and the blue one indicates the vehicle circulations. Here is the handicap parking, here is the loading bay, and here is the drop-off area. There's a park at the back of the site, which is away from the crowded area. It is reserved for the residents, for them, as the origin of the site is a park for them to have their leisure. So I away it from the crowded area so that they will have their private leisure time. The handicap parking is located right in front of the main entrance, so the OKU can have a shorter distance approach to the entrance. For the handicap parking, rather than have a side parking, I arrange it into a perpendicular parking. This is because it's more easier for handicap to park their cars. The dimension of the handicap parking is 7.5 meter times 5.5 meters in total. Each parking is 3 meter wide and 5.5 meter in length, alongside with 0.5 meter extra space for the wheelchair user. For the drop-off area, also near the entrance, the width of the path will be 3 meter and in 10 meter length. The loading bay is located at the less crowded place, so that less people will see the works of back of house, and also avoid accidents. The dimension for the loading bay is 4 meter wide and 8.6 meter in length, as the average small lorry is 2 meter times 8 meter. For the vegetation, there are vegetation at the drop-off area to provide shades to people when they waiting their grabs or car. The vegetation located surrounding and within the building is to create a greenery view for the visitors. The vegetation at the back will buffer the noise from the lower ground, which creates a loud noise.